Some plungers cause more mess and less effectiveness because their shape and fit prevent a proper seal and they force water out of the bowl rather than moving it through the trap. Plunger effectiveness starts with matching the plunger geometry to the toilet outlet shape. So use a flanged toilet plunger with an extended lip that fits into the bowl outlet for a tight seal. Position the flange fully inserted to create a sealed chamber and press down gently to expel air before pulling back sharply to generate a pressure differential that pulls the obstruction forward. Use slow, measured strokes at first to avoid splashing, then increase force while maintaining the seal until you feel the blockage move. If water level is low, add water to cover the plunger cup to improve hydraulic coupling, and if the bowl is nearly full, remove some water to prevent overflow before plunging. After clearing the clog flush once or twice to test, then disinfect the plunger and surrounding area with a diluted bleach solution or other appropriate cleaner, and always store the plunger upright on a tray to limit drips. For persistent blockages, combine plunging with a toilet auger used carefully to break or retrieve the obstruction without forcing it deeper. Common mistakes start with using a cup plunger that is shaped for sinks because it cannot form a reliable seal in the toilet bowl and just pushes water sideways, so switch to a flanged plunger designed for toilets. Another issue is plunging too aggressively from the start, which causes splashing and can spread contaminated water. So begin with gentle pumps to seat the flange and expel air, then increase force while keeping control. People also forget to manage bowl water level, which leads to overflow or weak plunging action, so add or remove water so the plunger cup is submerged but the bowl is not at risk of spilling. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with project opportunities. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips and real experiences about tools like plungers, operator techniques, and practical design comparisons.